Hi everyone. The world is a big large place for we humans. The environment is changing because of the pollution. Many ecosystems are dangerous and many kinds of environment also is dangerous because the pollution. The temperatures are rising and many animals are in danger of life. Many species, and we must take some actions to stop this pollution that we are doing on the earth. I think we have now technology that support us to have different kind of cars on the road, cars that not pollute the environment at all. I think we humans must take actions and start buying cars that not pollute at all the world, the environment. We must buy cars as hybrid consume fuel. I think electric combined with hydrogen fuel. This, I think, will be the future of cars. I think we must stop buying cars and stop making cars that is moving on diesel fuel, and our world will be much better with that type of cars, electric and hydrogen fuel. I think or combine these two things, or also could be solar power, or other things that will come along as we discover new technologies that we can move on to other places, like cars. I think recycle is very important, and we must try to recycle everything that we can, everything at all. And I think in many places in the world this is taking action, and I think this is very good. And the industries on the world must possible very clean. Try to its waste must be less as possible, and try not pollute. I think our electricity that come to homes and also to industries and wherever it is, I think we must try now to make stations that is solar stations, solar power stations, and wind power and other technologies that is not bad for our environment. I think deforestation is is very bad in our planet. We see in our world many pieces of the nature that is being taken away by human for the industries. I think this must be stopped because our environment will suffer its consequences, and as everyone know it, many things are taking place of the climate change, because when you take the trees of the land, the carbon dioxide is no more absorbed by the plants, and more the carbon dioxide is available on the atmosphere, and also in the polar in Antarctica, by the ice melt, with less ice, less radiation is reflected to our atmosphere, and this is very dramatically increasing. I think in this point about deforestation, very little things are being made, and I think we can do much more. I think by now our planes is we don't have any kind of source of technology that allow us to move without other things that is not planes that is moving by fuel that pollutes. That is a big part of our problem also. I think we have to take care of the nature and start using technologies that not pollute, especially cars, and we must take action. Pollution will affect all of us, all animals, and we must do anything and anything that we can to stop these changes. And I think everyone wants a good world for himself, and also to rest of us, to other animals, that all life that is in the earth. We must take actions. We must stop the violence. Yes, we must stop violence. The pollution. We must stop the pollutions. Bye.